As 2024 winds down, take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Reflect on the journey you've taken, the paths you've chosen, and the experiences that have shaped you. Celebrate your victories, big and small. Each success, no matter the size, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Remember those challenging moments that tested your resilience. These were the times that pushed you to your limits and helped you grow stronger. What lessons did you learn? Reflect on the wisdom gained from both your successes and your failures. What goals did you achieve? Take pride in the milestones you've reached and the progress you've made. Now, consider the opportunities you might have missed. Think about the moments that slipped through your fingers and what you can learn from them. Perhaps you procrastinated on a passion project or let fear hold you back. Acknowledge these instances without judgment. Don't dwell on these moments. Instead, view them as valuable lessons. Each missed opportunity is a chance to grow and improve. This reflection isn't about judgment, it's about understanding. It's about gaining insight into your actions and decisions. By acknowledging our past, we gain clarity and motivation for the future. Embrace the lessons learned and look forward to the possibilities that lie ahead. Why wait for January 1st to set intentions? The new year often feels like a fresh start, but real change doesn't happen overnight. It requires planning, commitment, and consistent action. Start envisioning your ideal 2025 today. What do you want to achieve? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Don't wait for the perfect time to begin. The perfect time is now. Financial stress can weigh heavily on our minds. It can impact our sleep, relationships, and overall well-being. Conversely, a sense of financial control can bring peace and freedom. Improving your financial health doesn't require drastic measures. Start small. Create a budget, track your spending, and explore ways to save or earn extra income. Even small steps towards financial organization can significantly reduce stress and boost your mental clarity. Section 4. Small changes, big impact, the power of habit. This section delves into how minor adjustments in our daily routines can lead to significant transformations over time. Transformative change rarely happens overnight. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. It's the culmination of small, consistent actions over time. These daily actions, no matter how trivial they seem, build up to create lasting change. These actions become habits that shape our lives. Repetition is the key to turning actions into habits. Identify 1 or 2 key habits that could positively impact your 2025. Think about what small changes could make a big difference in your life. Maybe it's reading for 30 minutes daily, practicing a skill, or dedicating time to a hobby you love. Or making healthier food choices. Small dietary changes can lead to better health and more energy. Start small and be patient. Every big journey begins with a single step. Focus on building one habit at a time. Multitasking can dilute your efforts, so give each habit the attention it deserves. Celebrate your progress and remember that consistency is key. Each small victory is a step towards a larger goal. Section 5. The journey of 1,000 miles. Every journey, no matter how daunting, begins with a single step. The same principle applies to achieving your goals. Don't be overwhelmed by the enormity of your aspirations. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Focus on making progress, one day at a time. Remember, even small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to remarkable results. Section 6. Your best year starts today. 2025 is a blank canvas, waiting for your unique story to be written. It's an opportunity to write a new chapter filled with growth, purpose, and fulfillment. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. But the pen is in your hand. You hold the power to shape your destiny. Don't wait for the calendar to flip. Start today. Set your goals, cultivate positive habits, and envision the life you desire. Take those small but significant steps. Each action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. The power to create your best year yet lies within you. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and make 2025 a year of extraordinary transformation. Believe in yourself and the magic of new beginnings.
Subscribe and let's level up your financial life, step by step. And let's master your money together.